Hi kids, have you ever wondered, why do we have seasons? Sometimes it's hot and sunny, sometimes it's cold and snowy. Let's find out together. Earth doesn't stand straight, it's tilted. That little tilt makes a big difference. As Earth moves around the sun, different parts get more sunshine. When your part of Earth leans toward the sun, it gets lots of sunshine. That means summertime, warm days, ice cream, and fun in the sun. But when your part leans away from the sun, it gets less sunshine. That's when winter comes. Time for cozy coats and hot cocoa. After winter, the sun starts shining more again. Spring is here. Flowers bloom, animals wake up, and the world turns colorful once more.
When I'm here, it's spring. Flowers grow everywhere.
Then comes autumn. Leaves change colors and fall to the ground. Animals get ready for winter, and it's the season of cozy sweaters. Did you know? When it's summer in one half of the Earth, it's winter in the other. That's because of the way our planet tilts and moves. So remember, kids, Earth's tilt and its journey around the sun make the seasons change. Isn't our planet amazing?
Thank you for learning with me.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science adventures.